Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the stock Max Ventures and Industries Limited. As you can see on my screen, Max Ventures and Industries Limited operates across the two core businesses. The first business is Max Estates Limited, which is represented by MEL, and the second business is Max Specialty Films Limited, which is represented by MSFL. Max Estates Limited business is complemented by two more firms. First is Max Asset Service Limited and the second one is Max Investment Limited. Max Estate Limited generally focuses on the development of grade A commercial real estate property in the Delhi NCR region, which is among the top 3 real estate markets in India. Max Asset Service Limited is focusing on providing the real estate as a service facility management and managed offices in the commercial real estate, while Max Investment Limited it solely focuses on the promising real estate tech investment. The second business which we just spoke about is MSFL. It is in manufacturing business of BOPP, which stands for biaxial oriented polypropylene films of differentiated quality catering to the packaging film industry. The company which we are talking about, Max Ventures and Industries Limited, it was demerged from its parent company in year 2015. Since then, it has been into the specialty film business since year 1989 as a business division of Max India, and the business division was transferred to the Max Specialty Films Limited in year 2012. This organization has a strategic partnership with Japan Toppan Printing Company Limited (TPCL), which is a leading global printing company which owns 49% stake of the Max Specialty Films Limited, while Max Ventures and Industries Limited owns 51%. Talking further, it is among the leading manufacturers of the value-added biaxially oriented polypropylene films in India, such as manufacturing of specialty packaging films, labels, metallized films, coating and thermal lamination coating films used in packaging, labeling and graphic lamination. It has a capacity of 80,000 metric tons per annum. If we talk about the another business of Max Ventures and Industries Limited operated by its subsidiary Max Estates, it offers for residential and commercial use, paying attention to the detailed design and lifestyle with a team consisting of good engineers and architects and planners and specialists, while Max Asset Service Limited is a subsidiary of Max Ventures and Industries Limited, providing real estate as a service in the form of facility management, community development. Max Ventures Limited Investment Vertical, a fully owned special purpose vehicle which facilitate intellectual and financial capital to promising and proven early stage organization in the real estate technology startups. According to the media reports, Max Ventures and Industries Limited is looking to diversify its specialty film business so that it can focus upon its real estate development management business in Delhi NCR region, and the funds that it will receive, it will be used to grow the real estate business. If we talk about the financials, in particular, it has grown its sales at a compounded annual growth rate of 12% from rupees 716 crore in financial year 16-17 to rupees 1114 crore in financial year 2021. Its earning before interest and taxes increased with a CAGR of 50% over the same period from rupees 34 crore to rupees 175 crore, while its EBIT margin increased from 5% to 16%, which is commendable. If we have a sales trends of MSFL, you can clearly see the net sales in financial year 16-17 were rupees 716 crore, while in financial year 2021 it was 1114 114 crore. So there was a proper growth in terms of net sales. If we have a close look on the operating profits of MSFL, they are also commendable from the year 16-17 to year 18-19, then year 19-20, and then proceeding with year 2021. If I take a conservative EBIT multiple of 7x, MSFL can be valued near to rupees 1225 crore based upon its financial year 2021 earning. It holds 51% stake in MSFL, which can further fetch rupees 625 crore for the company at this valuation. If I talk about the present day on 20th December 21, the current market price of Max Ventures and Industries Limited is rupees 125 and its market cap is just rupees 1840 crore, while the Max Ventures and Industries stake of MSFL is near to fetch rupees 625 crore. So this special situation prevents an event driven opportunity for investors. My viewers, I have a simple mission for you. This video is only for education and information sharing purpose. Please do not consider this as a buy or sell recommendation. Thank you, viewers.